This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Todd David. Amazing upgrades. This spacious open floor plan 3-bedroom 2.5 bath townhome has been meticulously maintained and tremendously upgraded. You are greeted with an updated kitchen that features fresh white cabinets with all new hardware, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The living area offers you decorative shiplap, a coffered ceiling and lots of woodwork detailing that can be found on the walls and ceilings throughout the entire home, giving you that custom home look in every room. Additional upgrades include designer paint, remote-controlled fans and chandeliers, plantation shutters on every window, including the living room slider, and custom-installed closet systems in every closet including all linen closets, utility closets, and the pantry, upgraded carpeting and vinyl plank flooring upstairs. Ring doorbell camera and security system. Washer and dryer are located on the second floor for owner's convenience to all 3 bedrooms. This townhouse has also been upgraded with a whole house row water filtration system by Kinetico, and it comes with a 1-car attached garage upgraded with additional overhead storage. High-speed internet and cable are included in your HOA fees. This is one of a few unique lots with a long lake view and no buildings across the street of the home, so you can enjoy the beautiful pond and preserve view and gorgeous sunsets. Located in the highly sought-after, amenity-rich, guard-gated community of Gran Paradiso, this home is located just minutes to the Cool Today Park Atlanta Braves training stadium, the new Wellen Park Downtown Center, beautiful beaches, golf courses, restaurants, and only minutes to downtown Venice. Come and live the Southwest Florida lifestyle you have eagerly awaiting. For more information, review the details below.